Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling a Bryant boiler with Alexa is a great way to make your home smarter and more comfortable. First, you need to have Bryant's Evolution TM Connects TM Smart Thermostat. This thermostat is compatible with Alexa, allowing you to manage your heating and cooling settings easily through voice commands. The setup process is fairly simple. First, connect your Bryant thermostat to your home's Wi-Fi network. Then, download the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and enable the Bryant Home skill. This skill allows you to integrate your Bryant boiler system with Alexa. Once you link your accounts, Alexa will recognize your boiler and be ready to respond to your commands. Now you can control the boiler with voice commands. For example, by saying, "Alexa, set the temperature to 22 degrees, you can instantly adjust the temperature. Or you can say, "Alexa, turn on the boiler," and it will start running right away. You can also create routines in Alexa to have your boiler automatically turn on at certain times. This way, you not only increase your comfort, but also save energy. After a long day, you won't need to manually adjust the boiler. Just give a simple voice command and enjoy your preferred temperature instantly. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.